What's up, YouTube? Dylan's Home Espresso Bar, and today we have a fun and educational video ahead of us. If you guys can hit that like and subscribe button down below, I'd appreciate it, as I appreciate all of you guys out there. And I truly would never be able to do this without the support from you guys at home. So again, I thank you. Today, we are going to be making an educational video on, drumroll, over and under extraction. What does it mean? What does it look like? And why this can affect your shot and your beautiful, beautiful lattes in the end. So, stay tuned. It's gonna be a fun one. Roll the intro! What's up, YouTube? Dylan with Dylan's Home Espresso Bar, and today, like I mentioned earlier, we are going to be talking about over and under extraction and what they look like, how you can stay away from them to pull that perfect shot, so your lattes and your beautiful latte art at the end doesn't just look good, but tastes good too. So, without further ado, I'm gonna pull up that diagram that I made specifically for you guys to give you guys a better understanding of what's really going on behind the portafilter. Let's get to it.
Alright guys, so let's dive right into this chart. I made this chart to better help you guys at home, and I hope it helps. So first, we are going to look at under extraction, over extraction, and then we're going to talk about why this happens. We're going to look at a perfect shot, and we're going to kind of compare water through rocks and also through sand. So stay tuned, and let's get going. Time to pull our first shot. So first, the perfect shot. What is the perfect shot? A perfect shot is nice and balanced. It usually runs around 22 to 30 seconds. It's got a nice caramel look to it, nice appearance. It is very smooth when going down and very neutral in acidity. An example of this, let's say, is grind size setting 6. Now, let's take a look at what a perfect shot looks like. Now that you all witnessed what a perfect shot looks like, I'm going to go ahead and pour some latte art for all of you viewers to see. Now that we're going into our second shot, we're going to take a look at under extraction. This is normally when your grind is too coarse, meaning the flow of water is going to travel through the puck way too fast. This normally ends in a sour yet salty to the palate taste with very high levels of acidity, and also an example would be grind size setting 10. Now that we just saw an under extracted shot, let's go to this example. It's like pouring water through a cup of rocks. The water is going to flow straight through, which is going to give the water less contact time with the puck, which is going to result in a sour, salty, and high acidity shot. Next, we're going to take a look at over extraction. This normally occurs when your grind setting is too fine, which will result in a slower yet bitter, dry to the taste in your palate, and also some say you have a burnt taste to it. For an example, we're looking at grind size 2. Now that we just witnessed an over-extracted shot, let's look at this for example. Water is flowing through a cup of sand. The water will flow very, very slowly through the sand. And this is going to result in more contact time from the water with the puck, which is also going to lead to a bitter, dry, and burnt tasting shot.
What's up, guys? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that this video really brought to light the difference between over and under extracted shots and what is really going on in the puck when you're pulling your shot. Please let me know in the comments how I did, and also if you could hit that like and subscribe button down below, hit those push notification buttons so you never miss another one of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Dylan's Home Espresso Bar, talking about under and over extracted shots. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay caffeinated, my friends. Peace.